Hi everyone, Jay here from jaysplainsfood.com with Confit Garlic. Yes, this sweet, savory, spreadable, edible garlic is a great addition to many a dish, and this recipe is actually a twofer, but more on that in a little bit. First, we're going to get our peeled garlic and trim the little woody ends off because they won't get soft when we confit them. What is confit, you ask? Let me explain. Confit is a French word that in cooking means to slow cook something in a liquid, and in this recipe the liquid is olive oil. So first we take our trimmed garlic cloves and we add them to a small pot, and then we cover them in oil and put the pot on your tiniest little burner on the lowest temp you can set it. And then we just wait and watch occasionally for about 45 minutes to an hour, keeping an eye on the garlic. And when it gets to looking golden brown like this and a knife slides right in like this, you know it's done. Let it cool and then pull the garlic out of the oil with a slotted spoon. Place it in a sealable container and then cover with some oil and set that aside for now. But do not throw away that leftover oil. Why not, you ask? Let me explain. This garlic-scented oil is great for sauteing vegetables in or making garlicky toasty bread. Use it for salad dressings, add some spices to it, and just dip some warm bread into it. It's awesome. The garlic itself makes a great spread on toasty bread, or mix it into your mashed potatoes, add it to sauces or soups, or make Jay's garlic whipped ricotta. Stay tuned for that one next week. This confit garlic is an easy way to add a sweet, savory, very unique taste and texture to many a dish, and you get the garlic oil out of it too. Give it a try today. I know you'll love it. If you like what you see here, please do give us a like and subscribe for all the latest and greatest videos. Be sure to come back next week when I'll explain another one to you.